These are called M2 auto drivers, and they have the advantage of being put together with screws. So if you want to get in there and do a wheel swap, it's super easy, barely an inconvenience. Just get the base off, and you can see two screws that hold the body. They're kind of neat. They're well detailed, especially if you're into muscle cars. They're great. Now, I don't like resto mods, but if ever you wanted to swap the wheels, it's easy to do. And then you get the base and the interior. It's nice if, let's say you want to change the color of the seats, change the color of the interiors, but especially good if you want to swap out the wheels. These, you can just pull them apart and they'll come right out. And then your custom wheels go in the same way. And then you can put it back together. And then you have a neat little resto mod. All it took was 5 seconds. So while I was doing my M2, it got me thinking about the green light. Could it be that easy? Usually the green lights, they come out with very fancy wheels. These I'm not 100% crazy about. So all I did was pry with my screwdriver under here, and finally it released it. So these wheels can still be used for another model. They're still kind of neat. So then I can just take them out and put the new ones in. And then it's that easy. I'm not crazy though about the gold wheels on the yellow car, so I'm just gonna change them out. This one's just a little bit tighter in there. Still no problem. Bring in my silver wheels. Just have to get them through the hole. Do you like these calipers? I think that's a very interesting detail. On a 1/18 scale car, you wouldn't worry about it too much, but most of them have it. But on the 164, it's the first time I've seen this. I really like these green lights. 99.99% of them have really great wheels to start with, but sometimes a little change is nice. Just like your real car, sometimes it's nice to make a little change. Yeah, so this really does make a big difference, and it was very easy to do. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.